you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Call of Duty completely and restart it. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. After restarting, try to join a match again. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. An outdated game can lead to connectivity issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the issue persists, try adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP, port forwarding, or using a different DNS server. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions on how to make these changes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.